Welcome to Jethro's Garage. How's everybody doing today? I got another box of stuff. This is 2 box openings in a row. At least I'm gonna try to have this video on Saturday. I saw that Tool Box Widget had a new product, and I was like, okay, I want to try it. And the day it come on the market, which was last Friday, I put my order in. And so today is Friday. You'll probably see this video tomorrow on Saturday. My goal was to get this and try to do a video on it as quick as possible so y'all can see it. Y'all stay tuned and we'll look at the rest of this and unbox it. You still here? Okay, that's good. Let's unbox this thing. I've got a few Toolbox Widgets tools. I like their quality. I like what they produce. It's a American-made company, and I believe it's veteran-owned. I could be wrong on that, but I got a big old box of stuff. We're gonna open it up a little bit at a time. So they got a wall board, a new wall board, and it's pretty interesting. So, and honestly, I'm gonna have to go through here and because some of the stuff I ordered, I just picked up stuff that looked interesting and did it. So the first thing is this Toolbox Widget sticker, because this was the most important. No, I'm just kidding. Stickers are always good. Look at my toolbox. So I don't have prices, but anyway, I think I've got a little over $100 and everything. So this is the new product they've brought to market, the tool hanging system. In other words, this is a revised wall board. I'm going to open it up. I like the way it looks, and I'm going to see if this does me good, if it's a decent product. So along with the wall board, I'm going to set that aside for a second, is the magnetic pliers organizer. So since how this is already open, it's pliers organizer. You can store them let's see. Yeah. There we go. You can store them like that. Put your pliers in there. And once I get my I've got a separate room I'm building. It's going to be my clean room. So your pliers go in something like that. These ain't right. Let's use these snap-ons. Go in something like that, or like that. And if you put them in like this, you can put 2 pair. You can also hang them like that. It's a pretty nice little deal. I probably got it too low for you to see, but I like the idea and concept. And oh, by the way, it is magnetic. There you go. Trying to get it on 2 ribs at the same time, but I can't. So I'm going to put this on my toolbox. I keep messing up. You've also got this magnetic tray organizer. Put that in the floor. So these, I guess they put them in there like that for, storage. Something like that. What you see me struggling with, because like I opened this up and started fooling with it. On the back, there's these crosses. And they go into these areas. Well, they can go in pretty much, I guess, 4 ways. Either side, either like this, they only turn one way, like that, or of course you can like that or other way. So according to how you want to set your deal up. And here is a 1-row board, 6 hook hangers. So another deal is just hang tools on. Last but not least, I wanted to try some of their socket organizers. I wish I would have thought about it, because I really need 1/2-inch drive more than I do 3/8, because, you know, I've got a different product for my 3/8. So I'm going to try these out though, because I do have a few things I can use them on. Y'all hang around. I'm going to put some of this stuff together and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so what I've got here is the tool hanging system. This is the board. I sort of randomly put some stuff on here, kind of in a sensible manner. Not really. I'm not sure I would have put this up here. I just wanted to show you how versatile it is. I probably would have put some of this stuff together, but it just gives you some ideas of how you can use it in your garage. So this board does not come with magnets. It gets mounted directly to the wall. So just a little heads up. It says mounting screws included, but mine didn't have any. And this is a very new product. I imagine they're still working out some kinks. I actually got a call into them and we'll talk through some stuff and tell them what I found. And we'll go over that when I go over some of the other products. Next thing is, these are modular. So you can buy multiple of these boards. You can buy the different sizes. So this is 3 different sizes of hooks, or whatever they would be called, pegs. These are for your screwdrivers mainly. These right here, you see how I used it on my pliers? Well, I also was able to put 3 in it instead of just 1 pair. So it's really according to how you want to do. This isn't really meant for that, but you see I did it with that. I think you could take 2 of these and do it as well for your smaller hammers. There is a weight limit on this. I don't know what it is. That's another question I've got and I'm trying to find out. Like I said, this is a very new product. I don't know how many of these are out there. All I know is I ordered it as soon as it was available to order, and they got it to me, you know, today. It was sitting on my coffee table when I come home. Wife had intercepted the package. But anyway, I probably wouldn't have put this here. It's just a little tray. And there's so many different things you can order for this. This particular one, I'm going to read you off what it comes with. So it comes with 6 of your 4-inch hangers, 6 of your 3-inch hangers, and 6 of your 2-inch hangers. This one comes with 4 of these hooks, 6 of these rectangles right here, and 6 of these ovals. The 6 ovals almost works out perfect because I think my Phillips head kit is only a 5-piece. It comes with that and this. You can also buy the rubber magnets for the back. But if I did this, if I put them on this, I'd probably buy 4, maybe 5 of them for it, because while they're decent magnets, it's just not going to hold up all the weight that can hold up. Okay, so first thing we're going to look at here over on the Tool Hanger website, or the Tool Widget website, we're going to take a look at this tool hanger. So over here we're going to see what all it comes with, but bottom line, it's got 4 rows, and it is 18 by 11.5, and it's a roughly 1 inch thick. So what does it come with? It comes with 4 hangers. It comes with 6 of each type of, like a hanger. All of those are 4, 3, and 2 inches. It comes with 6 screwdriver and 6 pliers hangers. On the back of the box, you go to the website, you blow this up, it'll explain everything a little bit further. Other than that, you've got your magnetic row bores. You got one for a screwdriver. You got one for a 5-hook hanger. You've got one for 4 tray bin holders. And you've got one for pliers. I think there's 5 pliers hangers. Now all of these have 2 magnets on the back. They're the same exact thing, just come with different things. You can buy the 4-row board by itself. It doesn't come with any of the tool holders, but you can attach it to that. Remember, these don't come with magnets. And you've got your tool hangers, your screwdrivers, your hooks, your pliers holders, your bends. And then you can buy your tool hanger 1-row board by itself. You've also got your 2, 3, and 4-inch tool hangers. You can put sockets, wrenches, all kind of stuff on those. They're pretty neat. You'll see them. You've seen them already on the board that I did. And you can buy extra magnets. I would buy these. And if you're going to be hanging up the magnetic tool holders, you might be putting a lot of weight on it, I'd add one to it. So when you buy these, go ahead, if you're going to use it for pry bars or something like the pliers bar, buy you some more magnets. They'll go in the middle of that. You've got one open space on all of those. And hopefully later on, they'll make the tool hanger 4-row board so that you can put magnets on them. I'm not sure if that'll happen, but you never know. Hey, today's video, it was on this tool hanger system by Tool Widget. It's a pretty decent company. These are made in India. I'm not sure I put that in there. Made in India. But they have a pretty good staff of people here in the United States working, including a lot of veterans. That's one thing I like about the company. And so far, all of their products I've purchased, I've enjoyed and been able to use, and maybe I'll throw some pictures of the rest of them I got in use in here. Hey, check it out for yourself. Thank you for watching. Y'all take care.